Hello, this is Jose Diaz with Intercash Now. I'm here to offer you a print-on-demand business opportunity free course where you will learn step by step how to make money online with print-on-demand. If you've been looking for a course to help you make money online with print-on-demand, this is the course that you'll be looking for. It's a free course. Um, a map that will guide you step by step how to make money with print on demand online. Uh, this course is from Michael. Michael is an underground millionaire, and Fred Lam, which is self-made millionaire in the online business. Now, as I advise you, if you really want to make money online, to take this free course where you will learn exactly how to make money with print on demand. If you've been looking for a print on demand tutorial or print on demand free course, this is the course that you'll be looking for. Here you be guided by the hand, step by step, with a blueprint. This is a Print Profits 2.0, and you will learn exactly how to make money with print on demand. Click the link below and start now with this free course. The free course start today, and it's a system that will guide you to make money if you are teachable and you know how to follow step by step. That's all that you need. You will be guided to make a seven-figure income online. Now, what is good about this course? This course is not just an ordinary course. It's not like any other print-on-demand course out there. This is a course that was made thinking on your own mind, on the beginners, on those that have no experience, how to guide them to make money online, step by step. This is a new business model, the ultimate training that will guide you, or ultimate course to build a fully automated seven-figure e-commerce business on the just using print on demand. Subscribe, hit the bell for notification, and click the link below to start your free course, a 3-step blueprint to build your online store. Go now, get your free course now,